I'm Pankaj Chandra. I'm Professor of Operations and Technology Management at the Amrit Modi School of Management and the Vice Chancellor of Ahmedabad University. Now, let's see how does an academic institution or a university look at a calamity of this kind, look at a pandemic like COVID-19. And here I will also add what is our perspective at Ahmedabad University and how are we looking at this challenge in terms of the broad world that it is throwing at us, and how should we respond for the continuous progress of self and the society. We've always faced complex problems, but I think the challenges that we are facing today are so complex, whether it is water, whether it is climate change and environment, whether it is animal health, whether it is urbanization, that there's no single discipline that actually has an answer for these complex problems. And it's actually quite a humbling, observation, because many of us in the academic world who've spent several decades exploring one or two areas, and I'm a manufacturing supply chain person, and my world for a long time was focused around it. We realized that, we cannot execute many of our own strategies and models until and unless we take into account dimensions of other disciplinary knowledge or issues that they address. Let me give you an example. The problem, a problem that studies how the virus behaves in different climatic conditions, COVID-19, requires biologists, atmospheric scientists, environmental engineers, etc., to decode its journey at different elevations, in different geographies, in different levels of pollution, and so on and so forth. It will also require epidemiologists and social scientists to decode how it spreads through the society and how should we respond. How should the society engage with these challenges, both from its own social, religious, community, traditions, and perspectives. It will also require marketing communication folks to message the society on how should preventive measures, for instance, be adopted to avoid the spread of this virus. Look at this multiplicity of skills, abilities, perspectives, questions, this interdisciplinary thinking, this experiential learning, this research questioning approach. We will be able to come close to addressing the complex challenges that the society faces, which is pandemic in today's setting.